Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I'm here to share a quick project share using my Diamond Prima paper. I followed the book pop-up box card that Sam Cockett shared on YouTube. I believe it was last week. It was easy to make once I decided what paper I was using. It moved right along. Her video is only 14 minutes and it's tutorial, so that if that just tells you anything. So it is a book pop-up card. It displays like this, or you could stand it up and it displays like that. I didn't do a lot of embellishments, but I did layer the front, and I think I used 3 different sheets out of this collection, and then I complemented with others from my Gilded Gray and just some other texture papers I had in my stash. So I think this is a Spellbinders die, and this is probably AliExpress. And the paper I used out of here, what I did was I used this whole sheet, but I cut it and used it in different ways. So that's the top of that is the bottom of the card here. And then this sheet here is the one with all the flowers and the copper on there. This page right here is the bottom of this 12 by 12. And then there's the textured page. Sorry about that, out of frame. There's the textured page that I had. And then this page is the other half of the big face page that's in here. It's this gold over here. And I just use some of the cut aparts here to because that's the inside that gets displayed. And then they just repeat. And then on the back, I did stamp a sentiment and heat embossed it. And then the back and the front are the same. So I wanted to share if you guys were thinking about taking advantage of that tutorial. It turns out to be a really cute card. And I cut into my fabulous paper again. So I'm proud of it, and I'm going to get it off to who it belongs to. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers in October. I really appreciate you all. And everyone have an awesome day. Thanks.